Today I'm going to turn poutine into a rice ball. So I have some short grain rice here and I'm going to pop it into my rice cooker and add some water, and I am going to wash it until the water becomes clear. And this might take a couple minutes, maybe 6 or 7 rounds of washing. It can take forever, but this is important. And then once the rice is finished cooking, I'm going to add some salt as well as some ground sesame seeds. So I got some black sesame seeds, popped them into a food processor, and pulsed until they were broken up into pieces. And this is how you can dye rice black or gray without using food coloring. And so in hindsight, this was way too much, but we are going to resolve this in a minute or so. So now to make the filling, I have some canned tuna and I'm gonna add some mayonnaise and some salt and pepper. And you have not met somebody who hates mayo more than me, but this is the only way I like it. So I ended up adding a little bit more than this because I want it to be nice and creamy. And then we're gonna take some of the rice, pop it onto a sheet of plastic wrap, and place a dollop of the tuna filling in the middle and a little bit more rice on top. And the plastic wrap is great because we can shape it without having the rice to our hands or having to wet our hands, which is traditionally what you do with rice balls. And now I have a little hole punch, and this is so much easier than using scissors. And I'm going to, this is actually hirakuma, but it's fine. And we're gonna punch out holes into some nori seaweed and stick them onto poutine. And now this is the point where it's oh no, I added too much sesame. It is too dark to see pouchine's features. So back to the beginning, cooking some rice, adding significantly less ground sesame, and this is the appropriate shade. So just be careful if you're doing this. Rice balls are so good, but they are even better when they are shaped like poutine. And do you know who also loves tuna? Paddington!